You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Welcome to Cagliari, Sardinia. This ancient city, steeped in history, offers a captivating blend of archaeological wonders and stunning coastal beauty. Explore the Castello district, perched high above the city, where you'll discover panoramic views from the Bastione di Saint Remy. Imagine the stories whispered through these narrow streets, dating back to Phoenician times. Beyond the historical heart, Cagliari boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. Poetto Beach, stretching for miles, is a local favorite for its golden sands and vibrant atmosphere. For a more secluded experience, head to Calamosca, a charming cove perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Cagliari is a destination where history meets breathtaking natural beauty. Come and experience it for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website, explorervacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you